Footer. Research shows that the word has no real meaning. Some etymologists believe it's because a footer, like a foot, is at the bottom of the body. So we'll build a simple 3-column footer in Grid. Before we started recording, we already added a section, but let's start by cleaning house. Let's rename brand section to section, since that makes more sense. We've been using it everywhere. And this is the section we added. We're going to apply that new section class, or that renamed section class, and we have the padding automatically inherited. We're going to use a combo class. We'll call it footer, and this will let us make some changes, like background color. We'll change the background color for the footer to a dark color like dark gray. And once we've made that selection, we can start building our footer. We'll start with a container. As we know, containers keep everything neatly bound towards the center, so that'll be the basis for this. What will the container contain? Well, it'll contain the grid we're dragging in right now. Let go, and we can see we have our 2x2. But what we really need is to add a column and remove one of our rows. That's the basis for our footer. And we can leave it like this, but it's blank, so let's not leave it like this. And we'll go ahead and rename to organize. We'll call it footer grid. And now let's steal. We're going to copy our Air Pockets logo, and we can do this by clicking and dragging, holding down Option or Alt, and letting go inside of the first cell. Now we have a copy. For our next column, we're going to use a div block to contain our contents. So we'll drag the div block into that second column. We used a wrapper before, so we can use that same class. We'll just call it wrapper, just naming things to keep them organized, and we'll Option or Alt drag to create a copy. Now both cells have a wrapper inside. Let's populate with content. We'll start with labels, and we'll use headings as these labels. So we'll drag this one in, make it an H2, and double-click to edit the text inside. This will be about. And we can use this again, so we'll create a class, call it footer heading, and we can make some changes to the typography. So first, let's decrease that font size. Something like 20 looks pretty good. Same with the line height. Let's make an adjustment there. And we can remove some of that top margin. We can see it's not aligned on the top, so let's remove that top margin, making it about 5 pixels. Let's go in and drag our next element inside. This will be a paragraph, featuring, of course, some highly descriptive lorem ipsum, which we can eliminate, at least partially eliminate. Now, for our next heading, we could go to the Add panel and drag another heading in, but we'll save some time and Option or Alt drag our About text so that the styling is copied along with it, and we'll rename that Contact. We can do the same thing with the paragraph. Option or Alt drag that paragraph underneath Contact, let go. We'll double-click to edit and paste in some of the content we've copied to our clipboard. That looks pretty good. Let's copy that heading again, moving it into the third column. Let's change that text to Get the App, and we'll reuse the buttons we made above. We can copy the App Store button by Option or Alt dragging, or it might be quicker to just copy and paste. Select Google Play Store, copy, click this one, and paste. Paste's right under. Now, on our wrapper, we can use Flexbox. Of course, we want everything to stack vertically, so let's switch our Flex layout to vertical, and everything looks great. All the other wrappers look fine, and because we have a line stretch on, the buttons are full width. So let's select this Store button, add a little bit of margin to the bottom, give it some breathing room, check our Hero section to make sure those buttons still look good. They do. And lastly, let's tweak our headings. Let's change the color and the weight. For the color, let's brighten it up a little bit. That looks pretty good. And we'll go in and adjust the font weight. We'll make it normal. That's it right now for the footer. Let's keep going because in the next video, we'll quickly make some adjustments to make sure it looks great on all devices.